Welcome to Science Tutor. Let's discuss the amines. The amines are characterized by the presence of the amino group NH2 derived from ammonia, in which one or more of the hydrogen can be replaced by an alkyl or aryl group. As we can see, ammonia is having 3 hydrogen atoms. So each time one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by either an alkyl or aryl group, we classify it as the amines. And we have the primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. The primary simply means one of the hydrogen is replaced by an alkyl or aryl group. When 2 of the hydrogen is replaced by either the alkyl or aryl group, we say it is a secondary amines. And in a case whereby the 3 hydrogens are replaced by an alkyl or aryl group, it is called tertiary amines. Here are some structures. We have methylamide. The methylamide, it simply means one of the hydrogen is replaced by a methyl group, a CH3 group as shown. So it is called methylamine. We can write series of structures. We have the second one, which is called ethylamide, while we have a C2H5, which is an ethyl. So ethylamine is the second. And then we also have the one we call phenylamine from aniline. It is also known as aniline, from the benzene family attached by ammonia. So it is called aniline. These are members of the amines. I'm sure we got value from this video. Please do well to like my videos, subscribe and share for more persons to see. In subsequent videos, I shall be drawing some structures. We shall be looking at structures of these compounds. See you next time. Bye for now.